This isn't your typical supply and demand indicator. It marks zones where the market actually moved, big candles, strong volume. And once a zone is drawn, the indicator tracks what happens next. If price retests it or breaks through, it tells you right on your chart. It's the perfect tool whether you're a new or experienced trader, and we've released it for free. Anyone on TradingView can get access. In this video, we'll break down exactly how it works and show you real examples that can instantly improve your trading. The first thing this tool looks for is size. If a candle is significantly larger than the recent average, that's the first clue. It suggests something changed fast, but size alone isn't enough. It also checks the volume behind the move. Was there real market participation or just a random surge? Only when both conditions align, large size and strong volume, does it confirm an impulse move. That's when a zone is created, wick to wick, plotted instantly and extended forward. Some zones form during news, others after breakouts or stop hunts. But what matters is this: the indicator only marks the move once real momentum is confirmed, and that zone becomes your reference point. These aren't just random zones, they're proof of control, where buyers or sellers made a move that mattered. But that's just the beginning, because when price returns, that's where the edge is. Once a zone is active, the indicator doesn't just wait, it starts tracking how price reacts to it. If price breaks through the zone with strength, you'll see a B label for breakout. That means the level didn't hold and momentum continued in that direction. If price comes back and bounces off the zone, it marks it with a triangle for a retest. That tells you the level was respected. These labels are generated automatic. You don't need to analyze every touch or guess what's happening. The indicator reads it for you and updates in real time. And if you're not staring at your chart all day, no problem. The indicator has built-in alerts. You can get notified the moment a new zone is created, when price retests it, or when it breaks. Just open the indicator settings, choose the alerts you want, and then create an alert through TradingView. Now, if you want to fine-tune how zones are detected, that's easy too. The settings are fully customizable. Let's start with size sensitivity. This controls how big a candle has to be before it counts as an impulse. If you want fewer, cleaner zones, increase the sensitivity. You'll only catch the biggest moves. If you want more zones, you can decrease the sensitivity. Next is volume sensitivity. This sets the minimum volume required to validate a move. If you turn it up, you'll only catch candles with strong market participation. Decrease it and the indicator becomes more responsive, which can help if you're trading faster markets. You can also choose how zones are invalidated by a candle wick or a candle close. And finally, if you want a cleaner chart, you can toggle retest and break labels on or off with a single click. That flexibility is what makes this tool so useful. You get control without losing simplicity, but nothing explains it better than seeing it in action. So let's walk through a real chart and show you how to use these zones in a trade. Here, we're on Bitcoin. We get a massive green candle, almost double the recent average, and it's backed by a clear spike in volume. That's enough for the indicator to confirm an impulse, and a new zone is drawn instantly. Price then rallies for a bit, but then pulls back. And what happens? A clean rejection right off the zone. Use something as simple as the RSI for extra confirmation, and then take the buy. Now let's flip it for a bearish setup. Bitcoin puts in a lower high, followed by a large bearish candle with strong volume, enough for an impulse zone to be plotted, but this time, it's bearish. Price pushes back into the zone and retests it, giving us a red triangle. We'll use something simple for bearish confirmation, like the RSI, and then open a short position with stops placed above the zone. You can repeat this process across any chart, any asset, and any time frame, because impulse zones are completely dynamic. They work the same whether you're scalping, day trading, or swing trading. So if you want better zones backed by real volume and movement, you need this indicator. The link to get it is in the description, and if you want more tools like this, join our Discord community. You'll get access to new indicators, trading strategies, and a community of over 15,000 traders. The link is in the description. That's all for this video. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.